In this video, we'll solve a sample here. The first thing to do is look for the conjugate of our denominator, and that will be 2 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 3. You write it as your new numerator and also as the denominator. Next thing, would multiply through the numerator here times the one here, and also the denominator here times this one here, and that will be 4 open bracket 2 plus square root of 3 close brackets. You pick your minus root 3 minus root 3 open bracket 2 plus root 3 close brackets over 2 would stand out, and you write everything here in the bracket. So you say 2 open bracket 2 plus root 3 close brackets, and you have minus root 3, and you write minus root 3 open bracket 2 plus root 3, which is 2 plus root 3 close bracket. Now I'll open my bracket. 4 times 2 and also 4 times root 3. 4 times 2 would give me 8 plus 4 root 3 minus root 3 times 2, and I also multiply minus root 3 plus root 3. And so minus root 3 times 2 would give me 2 root 3, and also minus root 3 times root 3 would give me square root of 9, which is also 3. So I'm just going to write my 3 down as minus 3 over, I'll move to my denominator, and I would say 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus same thing again minus root 3 times plus root 3 would give us square root of minus root 9 minus square root of 9, and the square root of 9 is also 3. So I'll just go ahead and write 3 here. Now note something, guys. You have plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3. They would cancel each other out. So I'm going to rewrite this, and I'm also going to write 8, and I will bring my minus 3 close to the 8 and write the both of these together, because the square root of 3 here and the square root of 3, they are both common. Now here's what I'm going to do. I will say 8 minus 3, this 8 minus 3, and plus, I'll say 4, this should be in bracket, minus 2 close bracket, and I'll write root 3. What I just did is that this 4 I wrote it here, minus this 2 I wrote it here, and I wrote the square root that's common between the both of them, root 3 here. Next would focus on our denominator, and our denominator would have, I would like to wipe this. Next, our denominator would have, this becomes 0, right? So we'd have 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. The next step would be 8 minus 3 is 5. So I'll say 5 plus 4 minus 2 is 2. So I'll say 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 over 4 minus 3 is 1. So I would write 1. And that's your final answer. And this could also be written as just 5 plus 2 root 3 as our final answer. You win. Just believe.